showing how to put these sandals together. So you sublimate the whole thing inside. We suggest you sublimate it inside the piece, so you don't really mess up and you can line your stuff up the way you want to. We cut off a couple words, but we're not worried about that. We just see that it does sublimate great. And you're gonna, when you put these together, there's gonna be an R or an L on there. And you can see this is for the right foot and this one's for the left foot. So when you put these in, you're gonna put that first piece in. What I use is my weeding tool to push it through that hole and get it in there, okay? Then you're gonna twist it around, and the ridge side is gonna be up, okay? And you're gonna bend it. So got the ridge side up, you're gonna bend it outwards. The button should be facing outwards, and then that's how you're gonna put it down in here. So I'm gonna use my weeding tool. Sometimes you can just poke a little hole through the plastic of this and it'll help push it out a little bit for you. So I just push it down in there. You see it just pops right through. You pull that up and you have the first one in there. And it's also going to tell you what size this goes to. So these are extra larges. They fit, I believe, 12 to 13. And then you're going to take the other side and it twists too. Twist that side. And you're going to push through. Like I said, I take my weeding tool. Some people have a special tool for these. I did not. I do not have any. So I just use what I have. And this little weeding tool works good. If I can get it to push it through. Go to the side. Push it through. And there's gotta be an easier way. I think that tool that works with these flip-flops, but you just try to take your whole weeding thing and push it all the way through with the piece, and you'll get it through. So you see it's through, and then when you just take it out, you just pull your weeding tool out. These little things, they fit right there in the holes that's back there, and now you have your sandals put together. That easy. And then these I made for my husband, so you know he's about this size shoe. So very nice design, but this is how you put those together. Shop with us, Flossy Blanks, FLOSSIE Blanks, BLANKS.com for your sublimation blanks. We do have these new flip-flops in. We know that most people in California and Florida are the main people that wear these, so we do have these. They come in this set with 2 of these per shoe inside of a bag. And then you sublimate. We did 380 for 120 seconds. You don't have to do that long. You could just do probably 60 seconds, maybe 80 seconds. But we got the nice colors on there. Line it up. These dimensions we used was this whole thing. We went 13.5 by 11. But we also measured the inside of these parts. So this could be right in the middle. So this was, I believe, 12.5 by 5 is what we did for that middle part, and then the whole design was 13.5 by 11. So you can get these on our website. We have small, medium, large, and extra large. We do have the approximate sizes for each of these shoes, each of these flip-flop sizes. So please make sure your size is matching your shoe size. And like I said, there are approximate sizes. This approximate size is 12 to 13. Maybe you can do 11.5 to 13. And my husband wears a 12, so he's gonna fit these just fine. He's already put his foot on them to make sure he can fit these, and he wears a size 12, so these are perfect for him. If you wear bigger than the 13, I don't know if I can help you. But otherwise, shop with us, flossyblanks.com, and this is your tutorial on how to put these flip-flops together. Have a great day.